It's official. Apple has just shocked the world with the iPhone 17 Air, a brand new model that's not just slimmer, not just lighter, but Apple is positioning it as the slimmest flagship iPhone yet. At $999, the iPhone 17 Air is positioning itself as a new kind of flagship, an ultra-thin AI-powered device that sits right between affordability and futuristic design. And today, we're breaking it all down: the design, the performance, the new Apple Intelligence features, and whether this phone is actually worth your money. Because let's be real, Apple doesn't make a move like this unless they're trying to set a new trend. And if early reactions are anything to go by, the iPhone 17 Air is already being called one of the boldest iPhones ever. But what if I told you the real shock isn't the price or even the AI, it's how light this thing feels in your hand? Stay tuned. So let's dive in. Section 1. Why this phone matters right now. The iPhone 17 Air was unveiled at Apple's September 9, 2025 keynote. Unlike the Pro and Pro Max models, which usually hog the spotlight, the Air was the surprise show stealer. Here's why this is trending. It's the slimmest iPhone Apple has ever released. It comes with Apple Intelligence, Apple's all-new suite of AI tools built directly into iOS 19. And this is big. It's priced at $999, which undercuts the Pro models while still giving you that flagship vibe. On social media, the buzz is unreal. In August alone, the iPhone 17 Air racked up hundreds of thousands of mentions on X. Apple's past iPhone trailers have racked up hundreds of millions of views, and this one is no different. But beyond the hype, this is Apple's attempt to change the conversation around smartphones. Not bigger, not bulkier, just thinner, lighter, and smarter. Section 2. Design, the ultra-thin revolution. Let's see if Apple actually pulled off that ultra-thin magic. Spoiler, the rumors are wild. So let's talk about design. Apple claims the iPhone 17 Air is noticeably slimmer and lighter than previous flagships, delivering a level of sleekness we haven't seen before. Rumored to ditch the traditional thickness, the Air might feature a refined aerospace-grade build with a matte finish that resists both fingerprints and expectations. The bezels, supposedly super thin, giving the display an almost borderless look that'll make any modern phone feel chunky. So far, Apple isn't naming precise measurements, but leaked models suggest this is the thinnest iPhone yet. And even if it looks delicate, the brand promises durability in line with Apple's Pro standards. Section 3. Performance, the power of a 19 Bionic. You might ask, is sleek all flash and no power? Let's see how the A19 chip could change that. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Air is powered by the A19 Bionic chip, Apple's latest and most advanced processor. Powered by the new A19 Bionic, Apple claims major leaps in speed, efficiency, and AI performance. It's built for Apple Intelligence and optimized to handle advanced on-device AI tasks. And here's the important part. The iPhone 17 Air is designed specifically to run Apple Intelligence features natively. That means tasks like live transcription, AI summarization, and contextual suggestions happen on-device with no cloud processing. Translation, faster, more private, and more secure. Benchmarks shown at launch confirm it. The A19 not only beats last year's iPhones, but it also edges out Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in efficiency. That's Apple flexing hard in the chip war. And while the Air isn't marketed as a gaming phone, early gameplay demos showed triplet titles running at 60 fps with no frame drops. All of this packed into the thinnest iPhone ever. Section 4. Apple Intelligence, the real star of the show. This is where Apple might really out-AI the competition. Now let's get into the part that really shocked everyone, the arrival of Apple Intelligence. This is Apple's full entry into the AI race, and the iPhone 17 Air is one of the first devices designed specifically for it. Unlike most AI services that rely heavily on cloud servers, Apple's approach is on-device first. Thanks to the A19 Bionic's upgraded neural engine, the iPhone 17 Air can run complex AI tasks without sending your data to Apple's servers. Here's what that means in real life. AI summaries, long emails, web pages, or notes can be condensed instantly. Writing tools, the phone can rewrite, proofread, or adjust tone for messages and emails. Smart suggestions, context-aware suggestions appear while scheduling, drafting documents, or even planning trips. Image editing, you can now remove objects from photos, enhance lighting, or generate background fills, all built right into the Photos app. And unlike Siri of the past, the new AI-powered Siri is contextually aware. It remembers what you asked 3 questions ago and can follow a natural conversation. No more repeating yourself. This is why the iPhone 17 Air is being described as not just a slimmer iPhone, but a smarter one. Section 5. Battery. How does an ultra-thin phone survive all day? Now the million-dollar question, can a too skinny phone even last through a day? The biggest fear of a phone this slim? Battery life? Everyone wondered, how can Apple fit meaningful battery capacity into a 5.3 millimeters body? Here's how. Apple introduced a stacked battery design for the iPhone 17 Air, allowing more capacity and less space. The result is a 3,700 mAh pack, which doesn't sound huge on paper, but combined with the efficiency of the A19 chip and iOS 19 optimizations, it delivers impressive results. Apple claims up to 20 hours of video playback and all-day mixed use. That puts it slightly behind the Pro Max, but still comfortably ahead of most slim Android devices. Charging also got a Boost minus 35 EWD wired charging via USB-C and MagSafe 2.0 wireless charging at 20 W. Not the fastest in the industry, but Apple's focus here is safety and longevity. It promised the iPhone 17 Air battery retains 90% health after 1,000 cycles, meaning it should last years without degrading quickly. So yes, it's thin, but it's not a one-hour wonder. Apple managed to balance design and endurance. Section 6. Cameras. Slim, but still powerful. One of the biggest questions was whether slimming down would hurt the camera system. And the answer? Surprisingly no. The iPhone 17 Air comes with a dual camera setup. 48MP main sensor with second-gen photonic engine. 12MP ultra-wide with improved low-light capture. You don't get the triple lens system of the Pro models, but Apple made sure the Air still delivers flagship-level results. Daylight photos are crisp, low-light performance is boosted by AI-powered noise reduction, and video still records in 4K Dolby Vision at 60 fps. Selfie fans will be happy too. The 12MP TrueDepth front camera now supports AI portrait lighting, giving studio-like effects in real time. So while professionals might stick with the Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Air's camera still shocks with how much Apple packed into such a slim device. Section 7. Early user reactions, shock and debate. After the keynote, hands-on videos and first impressions started hitting social platforms. The reaction? Mixed but fascinated. Fans love the design and thinness, calling it the sexiest iPhone ever. Tech reviewers are impressed with Apple Intelligence, calling Apple's most useful AI implementation yet. Critics point out that the smaller battery and missing telephoto lens could make it less appealing for power users. But here's the truth. In just days, the iPhone 17 Air became one of the most discussed Apple launches of the past decade. It's trending, it's debated, and it's already shaping how we think about the future of smartphones. The final verdict. Why the iPhone 17 Air changes everything. The iPhone 17 Air isn't just another update, it's a statement. Ultra-thin, aerospace-grade, and powered by Apple Intelligence, it sets a new industry bar. Some may call it just a slimmer iPhone, but the moment you hold it, test its AI, and feel how light it is, you know it's something different. At $999, the price shocks too. Apple made this futuristic design and smart AI features accessible beyond just pro users. If you want cutting-edge design, AI that actually helps, and a phone that feels like the future, the iPhone 17 Air is absolutely worth it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.